Hey, what's up, Phantom Fam? How is everyone doing? Check out the new goggles. It's not mine. I actually misplaced mine. I don't know, maybe it was during my ride to Bhira Dam, but here it is. Anyways, I want to talk to you guys today about the massive ride that I was a part of, organized by KTM India. And you should totally follow the Instagram account KTM_India, as well as KTM Riders Pune. For all the KTM riders from Pune, you should, because we will be announcing future rides. Now this, I believe, was the biggest ride, the largest ride or whatever organized in Pune. So I'm glad I had the opportunity to be a part of it. There were a couple of other rides as well which were happening, but then I decided to go with KTM. Same helmet. I'm recording. And as you can see, we just basically painted the whole highway in orange. It was quite a sight to watch. I know a lot of people were stopping and taking out their cell phones and cameras and trying to shoot the spectacle as it was happening. now the ride through the highway is basically the same. You've seen this road several times in my videos, but I will just play specific clips with some video montage. So let's roll it.
Don't let me go, let me fall. Wish that you would take it all away. Believe in you, I always do. Your beating heart has got me spinning. Your love isn't wicked, oh, I see it in your eyes. You've been waiting for some time. Tender heart won't be bought, no. Just know that I need you. Know that I need you. I need you. What you could do, you took your scars and threw them all away. You ignite an epic fire, I feel it deep, deeper, and I know that you feel it, oh, I see it in your eyes. You've been waiting for some time. I'm here, yeah, believe it, oh. Tender heart won't be bought, no. Just know that I need you. Know that I need you.
Reached. Finally. Hey, what's up guys? Yes, we've reached this place called Cloud9. It's in Lonavala, just ahead of Tiger Point. About 180 KTM riders showed up today, so it's pretty amazing. I don't have my goggles on. It's been raining. I'm completely drenched as you can see, and I think we're gonna have a breakfast and leave. Also, I want to wish everyone, I know the video is gonna go up a little late, so I want to wish everyone happy Independence Day related. Jai Hind. So make sure you like the video. See you. And that's it guys. This is what we did on Independence Day. Let me know what you think about the video, and thank you for watching guys. Make sure you like this video. I hope we get a lot of likes. YouTube has been strange to work with lately. I am sure not everyone is getting the notifications. They're changing the way the apps work, the desktop, the website works. So please make sure you hit subscribe and enable notifications. The wo ghanti daba do, So please guys, it's a sincere request. It supports the channel, it supports it, it keeps me motivated to keep going ahead. So thank you for watching guys, and make sure you wear your helmet, you ride safe, no matter what life throws at you, just ride. I'll see you guys in the next one. Phantom out.